were pleasantly surprised that the Summit Road at the Scottsbluff Monument was actually open. Last time we were here, I believe 5 years ago, it wasn't open, so we couldn't drive up the road. So I'm going to record this drive so you can see what it looks like. When we stopped at the Visitor Center, there was people from New Jersey and Virginia, so you can tell it's a destination that a lot of people want to see, especially if you're not from Nebraska. When you drive up this road, they ask that you drive like 25 miles an hour. Wonder if my ears will pop once we get to the top. There's a lot of cactus life. Oh, it looks like some boulders that have come down, fallen down. Oh, and we're coming to that road that I said that had a hole in the side of the bluff. So it is a road, not a railroad track. There's two of them. And then here comes a third one. To getting to the top here. I'm excited to see what the view looks like from the top. The park ranger said that there was hiking paths that were at the top up here, but we're getting here close to the time that they closed. So we won't be able to do any video of the hiking paths. Wrong. We're not close to the top. We still had a ways to go. I think I'm going to like the ride back down though, because it's a drop on the other side. But we'll see. Whoa. That turn came pretty quick. Oh, here's the parking for the top. I'm going to pause the recording and we'll